Sir, could you tell me that about salary that they get you in there?
The salary is quite okay. It's quite okay, but I cannot tell you the exact number.
สบายดีทานผู้ชมทางแพงทุกคนวันนี้มาพบกับข้าพเจ้าอีกแล้วคำลาเอามาก่อนขมุกวันนี้เรามีแขกพิเศษที่สุดคือว่าจะมีอาจารย์และก็ยังเป็นยูทูบเบอร์คนหนึ่งที่ว่าจะมาออกรายการนำถ้าอยากรู้จะเป็นอย่างไรอย่าลืมติดตามวิดีโอนี้รับรองว่าจะมีวิธีการเป็นยูทูบเบอร์และมีวิธีการจะสมัครเรียกเราต้องเห็นอย่างไรแค่ผู้ต้องติดตามวิดีโอนี้ไปแล้วกันเลย
Hello.
Hello. Could you tell me a little about yourself, please?
Okay. My name is Somjit Saisomboon. I come from Luang Prabang province, Patong village, Nambak district. But now I live in Tan Misai village, Saitani district, and Vientiane capital.
Okay. So now I want to know about your currency. What are your currency doing now?
I teach English for a private company for Pubia Mining, and I am also a YouTuber. I do YouTube. I do shoot videos for YouTube and also Facebook fan page.
So you have the two jobs there now.
2 jobs. Yeah.
Teacher and YouTuber.
Yeah, and YouTuber. And sometimes I also create YouTubes for YouTubers who want to be YouTubers. Also create YouTube for them and also give them the advice. Give them the advice how to be a good YouTuber, how to gain more followers, more subscribers.
Please give me your background of education. Where did you graduate?
I graduated from 2 places. For my undergraduate, I graduated from Ban Kon Teacher Training College. Yes, and 3 years from Ban Kon and also 2 years from National University, bachelor degree. Yeah, in 2013. Yes, and I also participated the T program, Teaching Excellence and Achievement in the U.S. It was the exchange program between 42 countries, for fellows from 42 countries around the world.
How long did you live in the USA?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 weeks. I first landed in Washington and then I went to California, California University. Yeah, six months.
What did you get from the program there?
Quite a lot, especially teaching techniques, teaching methods, and many things, life experiences, cultures. One thing that, because at that time my English was not good as it is now. I realized that there were still many things that I need to learn, especially my listening skills.
Oh.
I had problems with my listening skills, because if you have a normal conversation, you might not have problems.
Yeah.
But when you participate, like the meetings,
and the big
when they use the technical verbs, technical vocabularies, I realized that I need to improve my listening techniques. And then when I came back, I started to practice my listening by listening to TED Talks, by listening to YouTube videos. Yeah, for 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, I planned for 5 years, but now 3 years already, and my listening skills improved a lot. Yeah.
Sir, could you tell me that about salary that they get you in there?
The salary is quite okay. It's quite okay, but I cannot tell you the exact number of salaries. But the salary is okay that I can save and I can afford to buy what I want, especially the equipment for my videos. Yes.
It's very good that
Yes.
you have to you make your dream to come true. That you work in the Pobea mining.
Yes, yes.
So how long have you been working there?
It is almost a year now. I have been working for 11 months now. It is going to be 1 year next month, July 3rd. Yeah, it will.
Sir. So how do you manage your time that you work there and you make YouTube? How do you manage?
We have the COVID roster. 28 days working and 14 days off. So during my working days, in the evening, I plan for my videos. I plan what I'm going to do when I go on break. And then when I go on break, I will go for the video immediately. Yeah, because to plan when after my working days, I plan when I work. So when I go on break, I go for my video. That's why I get many videos done during my break. That's what I love, and because I can do both of my jobs.
It's a great job.
Yes.
I see that on YouTube, Run Studio, there's many followers and
Yes.
Facebook fan page.
Yes.
So do you have any techniques how to make the content that to make the many followers?
In fact, I also have some techniques to share with you. The first thing to gain more followers, more subscribers, is to work constantly. To work constantly, not 1 month or 1 week, one videos. It's gonna work. You have to do constantly. People follow you because you work constantly, because you work continuously. Yes, that's one technique. And the other technique, you have to catch up the trends. What's the world? What is going on now in this world? What is going on? What people like now? So you have to. That's the second technique. And the third technique, make your videos interesting. Make your videos unique. Makes your videos special. Different from others. For example, if you do like other people do, it means that everyone can do. For example, in my videos, one of my MV, my songs MV, the thief forgot his shoe. The thief forgot his shoe. So that's the highlight of my video. That I want to attract the viewers. I want to attract the audience. You see? So in the videos, you need to have the highlight. You need to have what you need to. That's the highlight point that you want to sell to the audience.
Yeah, it's mean the highlight of the cover of video.
Yes.
That to make other people interested in your video.
Yes. The power also nice.
That's a good job.
And I want to share with you that you need to have YouTube channels and also Facebook fan page. Because I think most people have Facebook, but not all people have a YouTube channel. So when you post in YouTube, you can post in Facebook as well. You can leave the link there in YouTube, so people can follow you from the both platforms. Yes.
So now, could you give advice to someone who want to make a video, to start the video? So do you have any advice to give them?
Okay. I try my best to help YouTubers, to help. Don't mind if you are if you are loud, if you have the strong commitment, if you have the strong interest to be the YouTubers, I am here to help you. Yeah, I helped with many people, but just only a few can be successful. Yes, can be successful with more than 20,000 followers. Yes. First, you have to start immediately. Don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait when you are. No one is perfect. No one is perfect. So to do something, don't wait the perfection. Don't wait for the perfection. You are not the perfectionist. So if you want to start creating the video, just start it. Yeah, you have the phone. You have the camera from your phone. You can shoot from your phone. My first video, I used my phone.
Yeah. said to me.
Yeah.
And don't be with your time. Don't this if you are ready. 100% no one.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to start up.
Okay. Yes. The first thing is to start immediately. Yeah. The second thing is to treat someone who is already the YouTuber.
Yeah, great.
You have to ask advice from them, suggestion from them. How do they do
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
YouTube
so-
channel? For example,
Like-
now like Kamla do.
Yeah.
Kamla also we also cooperate. We
Yeah.
also work together. Situation. The followers can follow, your followers can follow me,
Yeah.
and my followers can follow you.
Yeah.
So it is good to work to find someone who is already the YouTuber. And we can learn from them. That's also all the techniques
Okay.
of the videos.
So the last question for me
Yeah.
now. So how do you have Tini to do in the future? Yeah.
In the future,
Yeah.
I also want to have to work as a team. As a team, yes. I want to work as a team because many people can better than one. That's why we call team. Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Yes. I want to have the cameraman. I also want to have the actor,
Actor.
actress,
Creator.
the creator who,
Writer.
yes,
Yeah.
who can help me with my work.
How about the actor or actress? Do you need something?
I need. I plan to start next year.
Maybe.
Next year, yes. I want to have a small studio.
So you're in Vientiane or in your hometown?
I plan maybe in Nam Thuong.
In Nam Thuong?
Yes.
My hometown.
Yeah, your
My
hometown.
village.
Yeah,
Yeah.
hometown.
This is great. Yeah, great. Oh, yeah. These are our plans
Yes,
in the
yes.
future.
Yes.
I hope Steve video can help you a lot if you want to be YouTuber or you want to be a teacher. You have to manage your time and to practice yourself. Work hard every day.
Yes, work hard.
Work hard is the most important, and you have the special to do different from other people.
Yeah, be unique.
Be unique.
Be unique, be special.
So today I'm so proud that I have opportunity to
Yes.
make the conversation with you.
Yes. Okay, so if you work 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, and then you have a few subscribers, do not give up. Keep on doing that. Yeah. At least 5 years you will be successful. 5 years, and do it every day. Okay, that's what I want to advise you, or I want to share you the techniques of to become a YouTubers.
นะอันนี้ก็เป็นคำแนะนำจากอาจารย์นะอาจารย์สมจิตไสสมบูรณ์ที่ว่าเพิ่นเป็นยูทูบเบอร์ได้อยู่3 ปีแล้วนะ
3 ปีแล้ว
3 ปีแล้วแต่ว่าเพิ่นมีความรู้ความสามารถเอามาแบ่งปันวันนี้ก็เป็นคิดว่าตัวนี้จะเป็นแรงบันดาลใจให้แก่นักยูทูบเบอร์คนใหม่ที่ว่าอยากสร้างวิดีโอเนาะ
Okay.
และคันผู้ใดมักก็อย่าลืมเนาะที่ว่ากดไลค์กดแชร์หรือว่าติดตามทางอาจารย์เพิ่นคือซองเพิ่นก็คือกระมูรังร่อน หรือว่ารังร่อนสตูดิโอ
Kurang studio.
ทาง YouTube และก็ Facebook
Okay.
เนาะถ้าว่าเมื่อคำถามสามารถถามแต่คอมเมนต์เนี่ยเบื้อนเลยเนาะหรือว่าใครมีคำถามถามวันนี้เนาะ
หรือว่าอยากให้เฮ็ดเกี่ยวกับ
เฮ็ด
คอน
เกี่
เท
ยว
นต์แบบใด
เฮ็ดเกี่ยวกับเรื่องก็สามารถถามได้
โอเค
วิดีโอนี่ก็จบเพียงเท่านี้
โอเค
ขอบพระเยี่ยม
ก็เป็นเยี่ยมสมัยเลย
สบายเลยจำก่อน